Morning, guys. I decided I would make you guys a fun makeup tutorial this morning. I'm gonna do this look that I saw. It's called Vampy Glam Fall or something like that. I'll post the card to the video and you can click up here and check it out. Here's the finished look. So I'm realizing this video is gonna be super rambly just because like that's what my brain needs right now. I just need to ramble at y'all. So I have no idea what order the editing is gonna come out in. So you may see various parts of this look out of order. Yeah, I wanted to make a more casual video this morning because I figured I've gotta put my makeup on for this super rich video that I'm working on for you guys. Yeah, so let's get into it. So low-key lied a little bit about why I didn't do a video last week. Well, I mean, I was building a computer and I trim these bad boys a little bit too. So yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, I mentioned that I wasn't doing a video last week because I was working on building a computer and it works. It's up and running. But the real reason that I didn't do a video is because I was capital D depressed. I'll let Lizzo explain it for you. She really nailed it on this one.
Hi, my name is Lizzo and I have nothing poignant or poetic to say except for I am fucking sad and I am confused by everything, by everyone and everything, and I don't know what to do. Everything. I don't know what to do about everything. And I just wanted to put this out there in case somebody else felt the same way. Just know that we are definitely, you are not alone. I am right there with you.
When I woke up Monday morning and was like, dear sweet baby Jesus, I am depressed. I just attribute it to, oh yeah, this is 2020 and I've just had it. This was just my breaking point. I don't know what the last straw was. Maybe it was, something totally random, like it rained. I don't even know. And then realized that ragweed was up. I was like, God, I do this every single year. Most people get seasonal depression in the winter. I get fall seasonal depression. I realized that like when your whole body is inflamed, your brain is inflamed too. So yeah, existential dread and depression on top of it being 2020. One of the things that kind of helps me feel better is like all things fun and fall. So yeah, I was like, okay, I'm super depressed, so let's do some fun fall makeup. Let's try to get myself in the fall spirit a little bit. Another reason I kind of wanted to do this makeup bit, I stumbled onto this incredible video of AOC teaching us how to do her signature red lip, and was just so empowered by that because she's incredible. So I was like, I need to do my makeup more and like really make myself feel awesome. But if you're into like hauls and stuff, probably not gonna see a lot of that. I just work with what I've got. So let's do a foundation bit. Mary Kay Time Wise Matte Wear. This is Ivory 5. Oh yeah, another reason I was super depressed last week. If you guys watched my job interview, you know that I've been on the hunt. I've been COVID-ployed. That's what I've been calling it. I'm not unemployed, I'm COVID-ployed. Differently employed. That tangent started somewhere, and I feel like I'm supposed to go back to wherever it started, but I don't remember where it started. High-key unapologetically just like went back into my camera roll to figure out where I started that tangent. COVID-ployed. I never actually told you guys what the result of that job interview was. Sorry about that. I've had several people ask me and I just was like, oh, I totally dropped the ball, but I didn't tell you because it wasn't exciting. They just said that they weren't hiring people in this area right now. Oh well. But yeah, so I started a new job last week. Super exciting. So yeah, I just did my foundation. I am gonna throw some powders on there. So this is Mary Kay powder and Ivory 2. You dip your brush in here. You're supposed to swirl, tap, and then buff. You do like little circles. Oh, I totally forgot to do my under eye concealer before I did my powder. Oh, I can go back and do it, it's fine. I'm using this, it's a Mary Kay concealer. So yeah, let me tell you about what my vision is. This is really me thinking out loud. Top secret info. A lot of my videos are just me thinking out loud. This job is only part-time, and so like, what else? Great question. I don't know. I'd love to have some sort of agency of my own that helps college students with disabilities transitioning out of college and into the workforce. But like, obviously my own agency is kind of down the line a little ways. In the meantime, honestly, confession, I haven't wanted to say this because I'm not embarrassed by it, but I just like, I don't know, I feel like people will judge, which, you know, who cares? But I really enjoy doing these YouTube videos, and I want to work towards getting monetized on here. I would love for this to be a stream of income for me. So if you want to help with that, subscribe, please. You have to, in order to get monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours worth of watch time in the course of a year. Help, please. Share with your friends. Tell me what you want to see. Onto the brows. Music Flower liquid eyebrow pen. Like I said, don't love it, but it does the job. Share your favorite eyebrow pencils in the comments, please. So did my brows. I'm going to, because I saw this in, I think she did this in the video that I watched that was doing this look. She like put concealer, a light concealer, all over her lid beforehand. All right, so did that. Okay, now I'm definitely gonna pull up the video because the eye part is the complicated part, and that's what I'm gonna do next. So yeah, I take my, this is just translucent powder, and I just like pack it on my brush like this, and I just boop, 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 boop. Leave a big old pile of it under my eyes so that when I'm putting on eyeshadow, it just lands in that little pile and then I can sweep it away later. So she starts with kind of a big fluffy boy. She actually uses a blush, and I'm using this blush called Blush, and it's literally whatever I found in my makeup drawer. Apparently by Model Cosmetics. The color is Cosmopolitan 01, if you care. I think I'm gonna use this like dark purple. These are Mary Kay too. I'll use this boy. He should be good. Put another layer of this blush on top of that. A little bit of the blush in the corner here. Darker color. And also layered it in the corner here. Yeah, see this like reddish color? That's what I'm gonna use to like make these two boys better friends. At a certain point, you have to stop messing with it. She did before, she put down, she's got glitter adhesive, apparently is what it's called. But I don't have that, so I'm going to put a smidge more concealer in there to make it stick and make it pop. I'm gonna do Gold Coast here. So that looks pretty good. I like it. Okay, so that one was Gold Coast that I put in the middle there. And then this one that I'm about to throw in is Amber Blaze. And I think I'm gonna take a little teeny splash of this purple back on there, just to pop that a little bit more. So I'm noticing her shape is very different than what I've got going on here. She's got more of a, I'm gonna try to edit. Oh yeah, that did it. That's much better. Now she's about to do her lower lid, so let's see how that goes. Ooh, y'all, she used that big fluffy brush. I don't know how I feel about that. That made me nervous. She looks so good, but I feel like I'm gonna have big ugly circles on my eyes. Here we go. So yeah, this is just gonna go with my overall fall vibe because it looks kind of like my allergies are terrible, which they are. So I'm piling a bunch on this brush and then I'm angling it up like that. Like I'm not putting it on the tip of the brush, I'm putting it all on this side. I'm gonna do this like totally different color. This is like purple right here. She used that like right up along her waterline, so that's what I'm gonna do. P.S. Have you guys gotten your absentee ballots yet? I don't know if you were aware. There's an election coming up. You should check your registration too. Heard tale of voter registrations just kind of disappeared. Don't know if that's true or not. Just what I've heard. Never hurts to check. Make sure you're registered. So now she's doing the corner, and she did her glitter adhesive again. So I'm gonna put a touch of concealer in my corner of my lid there. And she did a even lighter color than she did in her center. Sparkling white. Let's give it a go. I'm optimistic. I'm gonna put a smidge of concealer up here at the top. Oh, my eyeballs itch. I'm already trying to scratch it. Okay, cool. I like it. Let's get this powder off and see what we've got here. That's fun. Look at her. Yes. So now she put on some false lashes, but I cannot figure them out. I think they're so cool, but can't do it. Oh yeah. See, I'm wearing falsies. This rabbit has dumped like all of his litter on the ground. Okay, I'm gonna try something I haven't tried in a long time. If you put a little black powder shadow on it and brush it on your lashes, it adds like a layer of bulk, and you can put another layer of mascara on and get that boom. There's just like a little bit right there, but you can't tell. It's secret. So she went in and did concealer after this. Let's see, I'm gonna do a little of that. We'll do some. Okay, so she kind of did like a triangle. So now we're doing contour. She does use like a cream, but I don't have one, so I typically use bronzer. Where did that fluffy boy go? Y'all seen that big fluffy brush? Oh, there he is. He was hiding back here. Oh, no. That looks real good. Poppin'. It's on and poppin', yo. Anybody watch New Girl? Love New Girl. On and poppin' all day. I can do contour all day. I love Shabbat. I really should do this more often. I feel amazing. And then blush. Yeah, sound good? Oh yeah, I totally forgot to show you. So like I used this top dark color for contour. I'm gonna use this guy right here, Strawberry Cream. I just feel a little bit like Neapolitan ice cream after I do that. Not better? I think I look pretty. Look at that, y'all. Okay, still gotta do the lip. Okay, so she used kind of a plummy red. Let me dig through the lipstick drawer and see what strikes my fancy. Okay, I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna line my lips a little bit just to keep this boy from feathering, because this is a it's a glossy lip stain. This is neutral lip liner. That's the name of the color from Mary Kay. Here we go. All right. I'm like nervous because this goes on and is there forever. Not like forever, but forever. So yeah, Mary Kay glossy lip stain in Mulberry Forest. Looks good. I think it could have been a little more plummy. I think it's plummier. Violet Love. There we go. Just layer that on over it. Little hack, y'all. Like your little cupid's bow right here. Just take your pinky. Look at her. Okay, so you can probably see like my backdrop hanging from my ceiling here. I'm gonna drop that down, get set up for my next video. Before I do, because you should see my little hand-blown glass octopus. Isn't he cool? Octopus is like my power animal because it makes me feel like I have 8 arms and I can do it all. She cute, girl. She cute. My favorite thing about this look is how it's still popping with a mask. Masks are so cool. Best accessory ever.